Welcome to Tariq on Voice. I'm Fatan.
And I'm Farel.
English, my passion, my way. Hello, Farel. How are you doing?
Hi, Fatan. I'm great. What about you?
I'm good. Although I spent a lot of money this weekend. And interestingly, today we are talking about saving money. Now, on the podcast, we have talked about money before. But today we are going to be talking about how to save money, not spend it as much.
That could be that could be very useful. I'm sure.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, Fatan. Are you good at saving money?
Yes, I think I'm quite good at saving money. Although I do really enjoy going out and enjoying myself. So, I'm quite happy to go out with my friends and spend some money. But I don't think I waste money. I don't spend it on things that I don't need. What about you? Are you good at saving?
I think I'm similar. I'm quite careful with money, so I don't spend lots of money on new clothes and things like that. There are some things I'll spend money on, but it's always within what I can afford. And if I have to spend a lot of money, I tend to think about it a lot beforehand. I find it quite hard. So yeah, I'm quite careful with money, and that makes it easy to save money.
Yeah. Is there anything that you're saving for a moment?
Yes, we've got a big holiday coming up. I'm going to Indonesia for Ramadan with the family, but that's very expensive. So yeah, we're putting money towards that.
Okay, yeah. I'm also saving for a holiday at the moment. So with this site, we have a budget, so that means a specific amount of money that we're going to spend. And we're saving up that amount. And we're hopefully not going to spend any more than that.
Are you good at sticking to a budget?
Yeah, I think I'm good at sticking to a budget. I make sure that I try to spend less and save more. So one thing I do with holiday, but also any big thing that I'm buying. This is I shop around. So I go to different websites or different shops that make sure that I'm getting the best for the best price. Because as you know, you might find the same thing on one website for 100 pounds more than something else. So I think shopping around is a good way to save money. Have you got any tips on saving money?
Well, I definitely do that. I definitely shop around, especially if it's something big. I look at where I can get it cheaper. The other thing I do my food shopping every week online, and I go to the website and the first thing I look at is I look at the offer. I look the see if there's anything that we always buy that I can get cheaper, and I try to again more or less stick to a budget. So maybe buy different things in different weeks. If something's bit expensive, I don't buy it very often. Maybe once a month rather than every week.
Yeah, I think those offers are really good. When you see something that's buy one get one free or 5 pounds off, I think that's always a good way to save money. But sometimes you see an offer and you think, I really need this thing, and actually maybe you don't need.
Yeah, it can be hard to
Yeah,
resist a good deal, can it?
that's true.
When you see one of them, maybe the offer doesn't save you money.
That's true. Yeah, that's it for this episode of Tariq on Voice.
We'll be next week with other Tonic and Voice. See you then.
Bye.
Bye.
TOB Tharek on voice. Find your voice, share your power. Be brave, speak up. At Terry Fording.